tree that has a resin that can inhibit tumors. What a fantastic tree this is.
Introducing white lawan, Syria contorta of the family Dipterocarpaceae family.
White lawan is a very large evergreen tree from the Dipterocarp family. It is an endemic species and probably the most common and widely distributed Dipterocarp species in the country. It is commonly found in lower and upper hill Dipterocarp forests with an optimum at the lower elevations. White lawan has a very good architecture with a long, straight, cylindrical bole and a large horizontal branches, making it a perfect shade tree. It produces one of the finest timbers for light and heavy construction. It is also sometimes used for veneer, hardboard, plywood making, cabinet, and furniture making. The resin extracted from the tree has tumor inhibiting properties and is used for lighting as well as for caulking boots.
This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. To thank you and God bless.